Hello YouTube, in this video I'm going to teach you how to install YEEMEE add-on in Kodi and turn your computer in an Ambilight system. Okay, we will be using this lamp, this LED lamp, okay, from YEELIGHT, and for that we need an add-on. The link for download will be in the video description, so if you want to know how to set up, continue watching the video. So we need to go to add-ons, click add-ons and click the box. So install from zip file, as I told you, the link will be in the video description. So I already downloaded, it's on my desktop. So Lanic repo, this is the repo we need to install the add-on. So go to install from repos, select Lanic, go to services and select YEEMEE, click install. Okay, this will take a while to download. So if you have already your bulb paired with your Wi-Fi working on your mobile, you need to go select the bulb you will be using. So, and after that you need to enable LAN control. Okay, to enable LAN control you have to go to the below on the mobile screen. On the right corner you see that triangle, you will click there, and from there we will select LAN control and activate. Okay, you will also be able to work with more than one bulb. Okay, so if you have more than one you can do it. Okay, so LAN control must be like this one, green. Okay, so the add-on is almost downloaded. Now we need to set it to find our bulb. Okay, I didn't cut the video, so be patient. So like this you will be able to see the whole process. Okay, it's now installed, so let's configure. So now go to add-ons, select program add-ons and the YEEMEE add-on. So go to IP address and detect your bulb. So you must be on the same network, so it detected mine. Okay, you also can check your the IP of the bulb in your mobile in the YEELIGHT application. So you just, I'm selecting one bulb, and what should the bulb do on playing video. So I will not touch much on this. I'm just showing you all the screens. Okay, so we can change some stuff over here. So enable those two options up. I will select the whole screen because I only have one bulb, but you can add more, as I told you so. And if you add more, you have to tell the add-on which lamp you have on the left, which one you have on the right, which one you have on the top. And after that we need to do a testing to see if Kodi communicates with the bulb. Okay, for me. So once again you can add more bulbs, as you can see. Okay, you just need to change the IP for each one. Okay, a quick overview of the options. Okay, so let's try it on. So I will put some video playing. So you can play videos directly from add-ons or play local files. Okay, so I will be playing local files. So I will be adding some folders here to proceed with the test. Okay, okay, okay. This is how you add folders to Kodi, okay? So don't forget, if you find this video useful, to give a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos. I will be launching new videos, and subscribe for more, of course. So now let's do some testing. So I will open one and I will start recording now, not directly on the screen, otherwise we would not see the lamp, the bulb. So here it is, the Ambilight playing. So it will change the color if the color of the screen changes to another one. So right now it's blue, now it's orange and red and yellow. So this works really well. It's like the Philips Ambilight. With only one lamp it works really well, so imagine with more. And for 20 euros or less you can have a setup like this, which is amazing, working really well. Okay, so don't forget, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. So this is working on Mac OS. It works also in Windows, Linux, but if you are using Android, probably you need to change something over here. You have to disable the hardware acceleration. You will find more details on the links that I will leave on the video description, with further instructions from the creator, also the download for the repo. And now I will leave you with more of the Ambilight experience. So enjoy and see you on the next video.